Today, we're going to show you how to create a 3A game style AI video. First, we need to generate the interface images. We start by opening AVC Labs online image generator, then input different prompts step by step. You can click here to add a preference photo. On the right side of the tool, you can choose the image resolution and aspect ratio. Finally, click Generate to save the image. When creating the first UI screen, there's a useful tip. We should place the character on the right side and the UI interface on the left. So next we generate another version where the UI is on the right side. One important thing here is to clearly describe the character's pose in the prompt, such as standing or other specific actions. It's best not to include UI highlights in the prompt. Otherwise, it may be difficult to remove them later when generating the video. Next, we need to generate a gameplay scene image with the character inside the game world. We can use prompts to define the environment, weather, and overall atmosphere. However, one key detail is that we must specify that the character is facing away from the camera. We can also add actions like walking or running forward to make it feel more like real gameplay. Finally, we input the unique features of the game to generate a custom game icon. At this point, all the game scene images are ready. Now let's convert these images into dynamic 3A in-game cinematic scenes using the AI Video Converter in any video converter. Import the first image into AI Video Converter as the first frame. Import the second image as the last frame. This allows us to create a smooth, natural transition between the two frames. Then, enter your prompt. Select the resolution and dimensions. Adjust the video duration. Finally, click Generate Now. The result looks extremely realistic. Here are the video prompts to generate the rest of the game video clips. Following the same method, continue importing and generating the second video clip, the animated game icon effect, and finally the video transition into the gameplay screen. Start creating today. All free tools are linked below. Like and subscribe for more.